Good morning, student. Today, in this video of EVS, we will do the exercise of chapter 9, Air. All of you open page number 59 in your book. Practice time. A. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Write two properties of air. Children, question number 1 is write two properties of air. The answer will be the two properties of air is number 1, air is colorless. Number 2, air is tasteless. Once again I am repeating the answer. The two properties of air is colorless, air is tasteless. Now come to question number 2. How will you show air has weight? Question number 2 is how will you show air has weight? The answer will be take two balloons and fill one balloon with air. Tie both the balloon in a stick and hold it. You will see the balloon filled with air is heavy. This shows that air has weight. Once again I am repeating the answer. Take two balloons and fill one balloon with air. Tie both the balloons in a stick and hold it. You will see the balloon filled with air is heavy. This shows that air has weight. Now come to page number 60. Question number 3. Write 3 causes of air pollution. The answer will be the 3 causes of air pollution are number 1, smoke from factories. Number 2, smoke from vehicles. Number 3, smoke from crackers. Once again I am repeating the answer. 3 causes of air pollution are smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles, and smoke from crackers. Now come to question number 4. What are airborne diseases? The answer will be diseases caused by microorganisms are called airborne diseases. For example, cough, asthma, etc. Once again, I am repeating the question and answer. Question number 1 is write two properties of air. The two properties of air is colorless, air is tasteless. Number 2, how will you show air has weight? Answer will be take two balloons and fill one balloon with air. Tie both the balloons in a stick and hold it. You will see the balloon filled with air is heavy. This shows that air has weight. Question number 3 is write 3 causes of air pollution. The answer will be three causes of air pollution are: number 1, smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles, smoke from crackers. Question number 4 is, what are airborne diseases? Diseases caused by microorganisms are called airborne diseases. For example, cough, asthma, etc. Children, now see page number 60. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Air occupy dash. The answer will be space. Air occupies space. Number 2. Air expands on heating. The answer will be heating. Number 3. Polluted air has harmful dash mixed in it. The answer will be gases. Number 4. In cold we have dash and dash. The answer will be headache and runny nose. Number 5. Do dash to prevent asthma. The answer will be yoga. Now see question number C. Circle what causes air pollution. Here are some pictures where you have to see what are the things that causes air pollution. See number 1 picture. It is a picture of a factory from which harmful gases and smokes are released. So this causes air pollution. So we will circle the picture. Number 2, there are so many children, they are playing Holi, but playing with colors does not cause air pollution. So we will not circle this picture. Number 3, you can see here is a picture of road where very poisonous gases are released from the vehicles. So it causes air pollution, means smoke from vehicles. So we will circle the picture. Next, they are firing crackers, and burning of crackers cause air pollution. So we will circle it. Next, the picture is they are planting a tree, but planting a tree is good for our environment. So we will not circle this picture. Now come to question number D. Identify the disease the people are suffering. Here there are some symptoms which is written. We have to identify the symptoms and write the name of the diseases. Number 1. I have cough and fever. I am weak. The answer will be tuberculosis. 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 Number 2. I have difficulty in breathing. The answer will be asthma. 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 Number 3. I have runny nose and headache. The answer will be cold. 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 Number 4. I have a sore throat. Answer will be cold. COLD. Next, page number 61 was already your project work. Many of you have completed this activity, and those who have not completed yet, it's your work that you should complete it. You have to color this picture of polluted area. So children, in this video we had completed chapter 9. Now it's your work that you will do all the exercises, the question answers, fill in the blanks, and question number D in your EVS copy and book.